Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about Android Manifest. In Android Studio, the AndroidManifest.xml file, commonly referred as the manifest file, is a crucial configuration file that provides essential information about your Android application to the Android operating system. It acts as a blueprint for the Android system to understand and interact with your application. The manifest file is required in every Android application and plays a central role in how your application is installed, launched, and interacts with other applications and system components. Now let's analyze the Android Manifest codes. Let's start from above. This is the opening tag for the manifest. And if you scroll down, you can see the closing tag for the manifest. Application components. The manifest file defines various components that make up your app, such as activities. If you scroll down, you can see we have two activities here. In this application, we have two activities. To the second activity, we have main activity and the second activity. So in this application tag, we define the different and various components that make up your application, such as activities, services, broadcast receivers, and content providers. Each component must be declared with its name and configuration settings. If I scroll down to the two activities that I have, the second activity and the main activity. This is the name of the main activity and this is the name of the second activity. Label is second activity and the theme is theme.layout app. Later on, we'll talk about themes. If we scroll down to the main activity, this is the activity. The intent filter specifies that this activity is the main entry point of the app because we have the action.main and should be displayed in the launcher activity. So when opening the app, go and launch this activity. So the intent filters define how your app can respond to implicit intents, which are requested to perform a certain action. They specify the types of actions and data that your app can handle. The permissions. The manifest file lists the permission your app requires to access certain system features or perform specific actions. Users are informed about these permissions when they install the app. So for example, if your app requires internet permission, we start with uses permission, and here we specify internet access. This is how we request from the user to accept the permission to allow our application to access internet. And these are the general attributes for the application. So for example, you can define the app's icon and label, which is the name of your application here. I can name it whatever you want, and the icon you can change it. Also, there are a lot of attributes you can add and change. The Android Manifest file is crucial for the proper functioning of your application within the Android ecosystem. It defines the app's identity, components, permissions, and capabilities, allowing the system to manage and interact with your app appropriately.